This is a 2007 Suzuki LTR 450 race ATV. Suzuki's 450 is the production fastest, widest, lowest to the ground race quad there is. If you want the best 450, this is the one to get. Not only does it look the best, as you can see, it's got the exhaust right out the back, straight axle, disc brakes. This bike has been fully serviced. It starts and runs absolutely perfect. As you can see, the tires are at least 80%. Front tires, I would say they're about 100%. There's no cracks in the plastic, no rips in the seat. They said this is a 2007. I'll show you the plastic. It does have some minor scratches. You cannot stop the scratches. Barely even noticeable. Let me show you how this works. You got your key ignition on, headlight on. You just turn it on. If you want to test out the headlight, I'll show you the headlight works. Turn it to on here. Your neutral light's on. You have your gas, low gas gauge. You have your overheat and your fuel injection light. You got your start button, your engine key, and your low and the high lights. Hit the start button here. Gas. Just like that. Starts right up. Give it some gas. Got clutch here. 5 speed, 1 down, 4 up. Brake, front brake. Did a compression test. That's full compression. If you want to buy this now, give us a call. 352-345-8797. 2007 Suzuki LTR 450.